So we made this review after testing this product for a while. Hope this video will help you to find the answer, is it suitable for you or not. Let's get started.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're thinking about using Notion for project management, watch this before you decide. I've been using Notion for about 6 months, and here's my honest experience. The biggest strength of Notion is flexibility. It's not just a project management tool, it's also a note-taking app, knowledge base, document manager, and collaboration platform. You can build a complete workspace that fits exactly how you and your team like to work. I also like how customizable everything is. You can create task databases, project trackers, calendars, dashboards, wikis, and documentation all in one place. Instead of switching between multiple tools, you can keep most of your work organized inside a single system. Another advantage is collaboration. Sharing pages, documenting processes, and keeping project information accessible for the whole team is very straightforward. It works especially well for content teams, startups, and remote teams. However, there are some downsides. First, the flexibility can become a problem. Since you build a lot of things yourself, setting up an effective workspace takes time and planning. New users can easily feel overwhelmed. Second, while Notion handles project management well, it doesn't always feel as specialized as dedicated project management platforms when it comes to advanced reporting, workload management, or complex workflows. Also, large workspaces with lots of databases and content can sometimes feel slower than simpler task management tools. Overall, after 6 months of use, I think Notion is an excellent choice for people who want a highly customizable workspace that combines documentation and project management in one platform. It's powerful and versatile, but it requires some setup effort to get the most value from it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this review helped you decide whether Notion is the right project management tool for your needs.